hang on, stop! You don't want to do this! Listen, I've been a good boy! I've been a good boy, please! I've been such a good boy! Don't do it! No!
Good morning! Hi! Hi!
Hello, hi guys, hello, hi. I drank mom's coffee again and mom's coffee is very, 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 very strong and I feel like I can conquer the world and catch all the squirrels. White chocolate mocha is the shit and makes me feel very, very...
This is your sign to buy some balloons and stick them on your cat.
Let's go, Mason!
Show me your pet is clingy without actually saying your pet is clingy.
Hello? Hello! Are you a dog? Yes! I am also a dog.
All right!
Yeah!
We're dogs!
Yeah, we're dogs.
We're dogs that live near each other!
Hey, are you guys dogs?
Ready?
Are you supposed to be on the bed? You are? Do you have a permission slip? Bye.
Things my mum says to me that make no fucking sense. Part 2. When she comes up to me and says, "Who's a good boy?" Well, I'm the only one here and I'm a fucking legend, so obvious.
Here's the bill for the vet today. Not really sure how you're going to pay that one. You do actually live here rent-free. I do buy your groceries, so, you know, maybe get a job, contribute to society a little bit. This is getting ridiculous, dude.
Luna, can I get an I love you? You're such a good girl.
Show something you regret buying, then show what you turned it into.
Hi! Hi! Good morning!
I have been looking everywhere for Teddy, and I come out here, and I'm pretty sure that he's passed out, because there's empty cans of dog brew by Bush everywhere. Are these empty too? You're drunk, aren't you?
Look at my happy guy. Oh, just a happy guy. Oh, just a look at that, the happy dog. Oh, just a happy.
Tell me you have a human without telling me you have a human. This one is for the doggos.
Ow, Charlie! Ow! Charlie!
Cyrus, the people want to know. Can we get an a whoop? Thank you.
Bark at your dog and see what they do.
Am I bleeding? Am I bleeding? Am I bleeding? Am I bleeding?
Oh no!
You're coming in.
No, I am not coming in.
New trend. Kiss your pet on the head and see their reaction. Whisper your dog's favorite word and record their reaction.
Bark. Show me your pet is clingy without actually saying your pet is clingy. Show me your pet is clingy without actually saying your pet is clingy.
Dexter, do you want to say something to all of your fans?
Oh, mommy! Ma, Toby's biting. Why? You scared of mom? Bitch. Oh my god, what is that? Oh my god! What is that?
It's so bad. Gripping me. It's so bad. No, no, no. That's insane. No.
Good boy. Nope. Don't even think about it. Nope. Nope.
No! 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 Fuck you! Fuck you! Why? Fuck, now my whole city's gonna...
Oh. You're right.
I think the groomer gave me back the wrong cat.
In my house, we have to be really careful about going on top of blankets, and I'm going to show you why.
I need somebody to tell Cameron that he cannot go outside. No, baby. No. We live in the hood. Them cats will tear your ass up. He is a house cat, and he think that he could go outside and go play with them ghetto outside cats. Baby, you vaccinated. I don't know what them cats got. You not going out there. No. Go on. Go, Cam. Get away from this door.